Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can change tags on multiple pages in Canva. So let me start with the video. I'm going to show you step by step process. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. We can see we have the few pages here and every pages has same content. So like this we have the same title. You can see if you want to replace this or change it, you need to select the text like this, double click on element, select the text, copy it. Now go to the file and find the find and replacement text, or you can use the control plus F shortcut key. Here you need to paste that text. Okay, in match case you need to change with, you need to type here. Okay, so this is text which you want, which going to replace this text. Okay, now go to the match case and just select replace all. Now you can see all text on every page has been change at once. Okay, so that is how you can change the found text on Canva at once. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.